Up next is either the best looking bike I've shot all week or the most unique. It's a 2016 Moto Guzzi Eldorado in color gloss black. The bike features, you gotta see this, a 1380cc V-twin engine, but unlike the Harleys and Indians, if you rotated it 90 degrees, that's what you'd have. You don't have a forward cylinder and a rearward cylinder. You have left and right. Or you could call it port and starboard. Bike has a 6-speed transmission, great looks, and saddlebags that look more like a briefcase than a saddlebag. Just unique design. The video and the photos won't do it justice. Something worth seeing in person or taking for a test drive at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.